Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Happy Ramadan to all and welcome to my channel. Today I am drawing a scenery. I am using a 2HP pencil and a scale. So let's draw. First of all, I am drawing a straight line. Today I am drawing a school. It's the most basic drawing, especially for school children's and competitions, etc. So it's a very popular drawing. Sometimes in schools it's demanded to draw it in competitions and exams. So it's very helpful for school students. So watch it carefully. How am I drawing it? Use the scale to draw all the lines in the correct proportion, so don't get any line messy or curvy. You can draw it with a pointer or a marker. Here I am using a pencil. Now drawing the clock of the school in the middle tower, using a circle just like this. आप सब व्यूवर्स का मेरे चैनल पे आने का शुक्रिया. Thank you so much and don't forget to comment how are my drawings and never forget to subscribe to my channel. So watch the video till end and enjoy and learn with me. Allah Hafiz.